Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate eclairs at home. First, let's create the choux pastry base. Combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a ball of dough forms. Let it cool slightly before beating in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until smooth and glossy. Once your choux dough is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a large round or star tip. Pipe uniform strips, about 4 inches long, onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for another 20 to 25 minutes until golden and puffed. Do not open the oven door during baking. Now let's prepare the luscious chocolate pastry cream filling. In a bowl, whisk together half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk and 2 egg yolks. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. Remove from heat, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and chill completely before using. For the final touch, we'll make a simple chocolate glaze. Melt 4 ounces of dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream until smooth. Once your eclairs are cool and filled with the pastry cream, dip the tops into the warm glaze. Allow the glaze to set slightly before serving. These homemade chocolate eclairs are a delightful treat, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy your baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.